Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuttering Tech, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this omnidirectional lavalier mic and its XLR. You can pick this up on Amazon for $37.99. And yes people, it's an XLR lavalier microphone. I saw this on Amazon. I ran into this about a month ago and I searched YouTube to see how it is, but I couldn't find any reviews on anything like that on an XLR lapel mic. So I decided to pick it up and test it out myself. As you see back here, this is the back of the box. It has main features specially designed for camcorders, audio recorders, and audio mixers, and etc. It's an omnidirectional condenser microphone, high sensitivity with low noise, soft cable with comfortable touch feeling. That's what she said. Both of the battery and phantom power support only for AU-XLR10. This model right here is the XLR10, as I just mentioned before. Yes, but if your camera has an XLR port, or you have some kind of those mixers that goes on top of your camera that support XLR, this will work fine. I see on Amazon it has some reviews, just that some people complain that that it had missing parts. I've had this for a couple of days, but I didn't get a chance to do the unboxing until now. I actually had this for about a week now, yeah, but I wasn't able to do the unboxing because my computer was acting up. But here it is. Let me go ahead and open it up. Yes, people. So let's see how nice a $37 lapel mic is going to do. My last lav mic was from this same company, the MAONO. Here is your little bath salts if you want to get high a bit there. Here it is. Wow. Okay, let me put that to the side for now. Don't let me get distracted. Wow. There we go. Pop filter. Okay, that's it. Nothing more. Nice quality bag, I ain't gonna lie. The last headphone, the last lav mic didn't come in a bag, but it wasn't as good as this one. It's a good bag, good bag. Must say that. All right. Here's the main course. Let's get the drugs out of here. So here's the I don't know how well it's gonna hold up in my preamp, but let's see how well. Hopefully it doesn't have interference because these wires are thin. The wire is very thin, but this is metal. Yes. So the XLR is actually very well built. Is metal. The clip is metal. Surprising for this price point. Wow. This is not metal though. It feels like it, but it's not. It's plastic. Yeah. It's a very, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna break. It's very nice design. And here is the pop filter. You just put that on, and there you go. All right, so first impression, very good, very well built. But I'm gonna check it out and see how it's tested. How it works, how it all figures out. But so far, I'm very impressed, especially for the price point. I did see another one that was double the price of this one, but it had very, very bad reviews. But this one has the better reviews of all the ones I've seen. Okay, so I'm gonna get this all set up into my preamp mixer and into my preamp, and I'll see you guys when I have everything set and ready. So now I'm back, everyone, and I have the lavalier mic on. And tell me how I sound. I don't know. I didn't even test it out. I just plugged it in to the Behringer Tube Ultra Gain MIC 500 USB. I have the gain set to the lowest that it can go, which is 20 plus 26 dB. And it does, as I mentioned before, it does require phantom power, so I have phantom power on. And I have my preamp mode set to warm. So that's all I did to it. Nothing more. Right now you're just hearing it just as it's being recorded, no editing whatsoever. And this is how it sounds. Just let me know down in the description how it sounds. Does it sound good to you? Just let me know. I'm not a song guy by any means. I'm not good. When I do my videos or any kind of audio, I just tweak it to what sounds good to me. As I said before in a previous video, I mentioned this before, that how your audio sounds is relative to you. Everyone will have their own, their own critique on what they want on the sound. So it's whatever sounds good to you. And I don't know how this sounds yet, but until I'm actually editing the video. But I'm gonna do a part, start from right here. It's going to be edited right now, so let me know how it sounds as well. After I do a little light editing, I don't do anything much. I just do whatever is available to me in DaVinci Resolve. When I'm editing, I might, if it's too much noise, I might add some noise reduction, and I might, play with the EQ a little bit, and I might add a compressor, and that's it. I don't do much, and increase it if it needs to be increase the gain if I need to. That's all I really do. I don't do that much. I just do whatever sounds good to me, and that's it. So just let me know how it sounds after I apply some of these processing to the audio. Just let me know how it sounds down in the comments. Yes, guys, so this is how it sounds. Not bad. And it's just the cord, I thought it was going to be short because the cable for this one is 6 feet and it's kind of short. So I have to, I could have it back here in the back over here underneath the desktop. And as I mentioned on the video that I uploaded before, I had to bring my desktop up here because when it's under the desk, for some reason it's overheating and shutting off, even though the temperature is still the same. It's showing up the same. I don't know what's going on with that, but yes, let me know how it sounds right now with this. Overall for me, I don't know yet, but hopefully it's a great mic. But the build quality is very, very good, and I like the length of the cord. And yeah, just let me know what you guys think. This was just a quick unboxing and basically review of it. Well, not full review because I don't know how it sounds. You guys tell me, but hopefully it sounds great. And that's it for this video. Please like, share, subscribe, leave your comments down below. As always, hit that bell notification if you're new to the channel, so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And yeah, that's it, guys.